Gardening is a timeless pursuit that transcends mere plant cultivation. It is a rich tapestry of science, art, and cultural heritage. Delving into the world of gardening unveils a myriad of fascinating facts that not only enhance our understanding, but also inspire a deeper connection with the natural world. In this article, we'll explore 15 intriguing facts about gardening, covering both the why and how aspects, inviting you to embark on a gardening quiz that combines knowledge and curiosity. 1. Plants communicate with each other. Plants release volatile organic compounds to signal distress or impending danger. This chemical communication helps nearby plants prepare for potential threats, fostering a form of plant community intelligence. 2. Companion planting. Certain plants, when grown together, provide mutual benefits such as pest control and improved growth. Companion planting maximizes space, enhances soil health, and reduces the need for chemical interventions. 3. The Fibonacci sequence in nature. Many plants exhibit the Fibonacci sequence in their growth patterns. The arrangement of leaves, petals, and seeds often follows this mathematical pattern, creating visually appealing and efficient structures. 4. Benefits of mulching. Mulching conserves soil moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature. Applying a layer of organic or inorganic mulch around plants helps create optimal growing conditions and reduces the need for constant watering. 5. The marvel of mycorrhizal relationships. Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, enhancing nutrient absorption. These fungi extend the plant's root system, increasing access to water and nutrients in exchange for carbohydrates produced through photosynthesis. 6. The power of sunflowers. Sunflowers can be used to extract toxins from contaminated soil. A process called phytoremediation involves planting sunflowers in polluted areas, as they absorb heavy metals and pollutants from the soil. 7. The role of bees in pollination. Bees play a crucial role in pollinating many of the world's food crops. The transfer of pollen from male to female plant parts by bees ensures the reproduction of flowering plants, including fruits and vegetables. 8. Herb gardens for pest control. Growing certain herbs can deter pests naturally. Planting basil, mint, or rosemary alongside vegetables can repel pests and reduce the need for chemical pesticides. 9. Rainwater harvesting. Collecting rainwater conserves water resources and reduces water bills. Installing rain barrels or cisterns allows gardeners to harness natural rainfall for watering plants during dry periods. 10. The remarkable resilience of succulents. Succulents store water in their leaves, stems, and roots, allowing them to thrive in arid conditions. Their unique water storage mechanisms make succulents well-suited for drought-prone environments. 11. Regenerating plants from kitchen scraps. Many kitchen scraps can be regrown into new plants, reducing waste. Vegetables like lettuce, green onions, and celery can be regrown by placing their discarded parts in water or soil. 12. The color-changing hydrangea. Soil influences the color of hydrangea flowers. Acidic soil produces blue flowers, while alkaline soil results in pink ones. Gardeners can manipulate soil pH to change flower color. 13. Plant memory. Plants can remember previous exposures to stress. Previous exposure to stressors, such as pests or extreme temperatures, prompts plants to activate defense mechanisms upon subsequent encounters. 14. Tapping into aquaponics. Aquaponics combines aquaculture and hydroponics for sustainable plant growth. Fish waste provides nutrients for plants, while plants filter and purify water, creating a symbiotic and eco-friendly system. 15. Bamboo, nature's fast-growing wonder. bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants on Earth. Some bamboo species can grow up to 3 feet in a single day, making them a sustainable resource for various applications. Gardening is a captivating journey that continually unveils the marvels of the natural world. These 15 interesting facts showcase the intricate and interconnected web of life in the garden, inviting both novice and seasoned gardeners to explore, experiment, and deepen their appreciation for the wonders of cultivation. Whether you're a budding horticulturist or a green-thumbed veteran, let the gardening quiz inspire curiosity and encourage a lifelong love for the green world around us. Happy gardening!